Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, guys. So before we proceed, make sure that you create another copy or we duplicate this. Right click your mouse, click move or copy, and then create a copy. Alright. So name this as all. Okay. Alright. So as you can see in page. Page 81. Okay, in page 81, okay, for all function, it use another type of file, okay, murni, ikhlas, tulus, and cakna. So I don't want to use this file. We use the same data here, but we want to include all function since um, we have only one company that we decide to invest. Let's say we want more company, okay. So we use the or function, okay. Okay, let's clear this thing first. Okay, so let's inspect this visually, yeah. So since we have only one investment, because of the additional condition that we add, so we tend to be lenient. Okay, so we will accept uh, uh, this investment if, okay, return on asset is more than 9 or return on equity is more than 14. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so the basic formula is if. Okay, then we have or. Okay, and then the condition is, okay, return on asset for Salam should be greater or equal, okay, with industry average return on asset. Okay, so next, comma, because that is next instruction. Okay, return on equity for Salam Tech should be greater or equal to 14. Okay, and then end of instruction. So the outcome is yes. Okay, next thing is no. Sorry, accidentally press the button. Okay, again, yes or no. Alright, so if or C3 greater than C11, then D3 greater or equal than C12. Okay, so what we should do next? Absolute. So before C, after C, C what? C11. This thing. Before C11, before C, after C for 11, then okay, after C, before C and after C for C12. Okay, for those who still confused why we lock this one, because we want to refer to the same, okay, same data here, okay, for C11, okay, and for C12. Alright, so we can press enter now. So as you can see, if you drag, okay, so confirm, okay, confirm with our visual inspection just now. Okay, so we clear this. Okay, no border and then outside border. Alright, so all functions say that either one should be greater. Okay, so this one is under 9, but latent equity is more than uh, 14. So yes. Okay, this is return on equity is just 13, but it's more than 9 for return on asset. So yes, this thing is more than 14. Okay, okay, so this is yes. This is below 9 and below 14. So no, above 14 but below return on asset 9. So yes. Okay, so for your information, this is not the best example, but it is close enough for your understanding. Okay, so the thing is it is much more easier if you understand the formula. Okay, thank you very much. See you in next lesson.